Heavyweight riders, heavyweight riders, yeah. It's the one they been known about. Zoned out and went the wrong route. In the wide open, keep your eyes open. Known to be quick, fast to blast. Leave these haters smashed and blistered in the ass like Mr. Pendergrass. My bitch rag round your face, a shit bag round your waist. Nigga, I've been in it real. It's real in the field. You're hanging on your last thread with chopping this bitch. Standing on your last leg, hopping and shit. Leave you thin and depressed, your chin in your chest. Looking smoked out, lip poked out. Nigga, chop back for reasons. Cocking back, squeezing on some new script shit. Blue chip shit. Banging on these haters with some who this shit. Had you dumped and slumped up, pistol grip, pump. Riders with habits, popping green Nike tablets, blowing pounds around Reagan like fuck Don Megan.
Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa. Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa.
Now it's a gang of niggas out here be overrated, but I'll smash those niggas like Federated. Said I got more beef than essays do with Koreans.
So play like Esther and shut up, old heathens.
Motherfuckers tryna David Kennedy tonight. I put some potatoes in the sock and whoop your ass right. You better promote my shit tight unless you wanna throw 'em. That's why record execs is getting blankets thrown on them. I sure know where I come from, fool. You listen to yada music, I'm from the bottom of the shit stool. Grimy, dirty, low down ass nigga. They done fucked up and let a gangster make some major figure.
These niggas out here be hating, but I give a fuck.
There's so much haterism in this industry.
Niggas to ride on my shit and now we thinking better than me.
Oh no.
Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa. Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa.
No me gusto, I like it, chapi chulo, don't fight it, yo me gusto, you like it, chapi chulo.
Like I got the whole world waiting on me. Tight enough to have the big homies hating on me. It's the one and only. Get to acting up and had these next timers packing up. These headliners backing up. You made your bread yesterday, nigga, but fuck them dead yesterdays, nigga. This young buck make you run duck. Came in the door, wig splitting, pit licking. I catch your partner, big pimping, grabbing my dick, limping, nipper.
Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa. Pinche pendejo, yo no nada. Adiós amigo, this is mi casa.
Yo me gusto, I like it, chapi chulo, don't fight it, yo me gusto, you like it, chapi chulo. Don't fight it, yo me gusto, I like it, chapi chulo, don't fight it, yo me gusto, you like it.
the same drink, puffing off the same dank, heading for the stove.
Cruising.
Think I ain't as I bangs around the corner. Should I kill it?
No.
Something's gotta pop. So I got to grab my 40 Glock and I'm thinking to myself, damn, why's my pockets empty? I'm off to get the first food that tempts me.
But now we back on the mission, dog. Nigga hurtin' deep, let me swoop Gonzo. Now we go get the heat. Is you down, nigga?
Ooh, don't sleep, oh the thuggin' and the creep, like my blunt hopping in the back seat. Is you down for a hoorah?
Nigga, what you think?
We parks the LTD, cell slides me the heat. I'm after Rob Bruce Lee from chopsticks to his feet. Give a fuck about a chink as I step to the front.
What you want?
Won't you slide a motherfucker 3 blunts at once? Little Kato bells in the stove.
Fuck turning
The
back.
gauge is racked, ready to blow, nigga. Hit the floor and make no sudden escape. Who don't move? Just point to the videotape, nigga. Bring it down like 3 hogs, raised in the small real life menaces. Fuck a cane and old dog pistol straw. So now what the chink gonna do? Crack the safe for the end, motherfucker. And it's the first
Is
two.
you down for a hoorah?
Boo, what you think? It's the evil side rider, bump and bounce, rock, skate.
Is you down for a hoorah?
Boo, what you think? It's the evil side rider, bump and bounce, rock, skate. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. We hit the corner store for a gang of shit to flip. Everything from food stamps to potato chips. Nigga, I'm out to get the bucket.
Hold up, wait for me.
Grab sale while I go swing the LTD.
I stole on his ass and both out. Fuck him. The homie said don't shoot him, but I still stuck him. I had to, cause I was the last to hit the dope. Bug identification, nigga, it's the flow.
But still in order not to be captive for pigs, we running rapid, so perhaps there's ways I can ease through the flow of traffic like it never happened. We's off to where we hangs every day, motherfucker. In South Central, we
It's
did
the same thing.
Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Nigga, can y'all fuck with this? Can y'all motherfuckers fuck with this, nigga? This is motherfucking Crusin, nigga. Straight like that. Who can fuck with it? You can fuck with it, nigga. Get at me, nigga. We up in the SC. All you gotta do is come, nigga. We ain't hard to find. Nigga. Motherfucking west side, nigga. That's how we drop that shit. Nigga. West side.
Eliminate. Prosecute. Fuck, think it's cool. Yeah. Doghouse style. It don't stop. R.T.C. Check this out, homie. Damn, cuz. The spot's getting hot. I can't trust the paramedics or them crooked ass cops. The closest nigga to you will do you and try to screw you. Backstab you in the back and act like he never knew you. And he could be the same nigga to switch, playing ball with minute, but he really is a bitch. Now watch out for the twist. Here come them niggas that was with you, but they out to get rich. But you thought them niggas would never do that until they get